For most enthusiasts, the privilege of owning a classic car isn't about numbers or return on investment. It's about heading out on the weekend and having a little bit of fun. It's about making a statement and turning heads. That's why rides like this awesome '69 Camaro have such a loyal following. The beneficiary of a detailed restoration, this Panther wears a vibrant coat of Hugger Orange 2-stage. Solid body panels align well, presenting the kind of fit and finish that's common on high-level builds. That alignment serves as an excellent canvas for tuxedo black rally stripes, and those stripes parallel a full register of Rally Sport bolt-ons to complete a head-turning profile. Open the doors and you'll find a timeless deluxe interior that's spiced with neo-convenience where it matters. A '69 exclusive dash hangs requisite AC gauges between modern air conditioning and custom auto-sound audio. Plush vinyl buckets feature deluxe headrest, and a wood-trimmed console founds a short Hurst shifter behind optional 4-pack accessory gauges. Toss the hood and you'll find a brutal GM Performance Parts ZZ454 big block that turns over 450 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque. That engine spins power through a reliable Tremec 5-speed back to a 12-bolt rear axle. Well built, fully detailed, and attention-grabbing in every way, this Camaro backs a lot of show with a whole lot of go. In summary, it's what every enthusiast wants: speed, style, and endless good times. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.